Now today we are going to discuss about electric flux. Now what is electric flux? Suppose here the electric field is in this direction and consider a surface, a plane like this. The number of field lines passing through this plane, that is denoted by electric flux. So electric flux is what? The number of field lines passing through any surface is called flux associated with this surface. So how to find the electric flux numerically? To find an electric flux, we have formula. So for uniform electric field, uniform electric field means what? The electric field intensity everywhere is same. Now we want to find the electric flux associated with this surface, this plane, this square. So the flux associated with this plane, that is denoted by E dot S, where E is the electric field and S is the surface area of plane, surface area of the surface. So this is the dot product of electric field and surface area. So in dot product you can use A dot B as a, you can write A dot B as a AB cos theta. So E dot S is equal to what? ES cos theta. So this is our formula to find the electric flux. And electric flux means what? The number of field lines passing through any surface, that is called electric flux associated with that surface. So that is given by ES cos theta. And the theta is the angle between electric field and surface area. Now here electric field is in this direction. But what is the direction of surface area? The direction of surface area is always perpendicular to the given plane. Means suppose for this plane, the surface area is always perpendicular to this plane. Means it is in this direction. For this plane, surface area is in this direction. So always the surface area, direction of surface area is perpendicular to that plane. Right? So there are many conditions. First condition, when surface is parallel to electric field, then what happen? Suppose electric field is in this direction and the surface is like this. So the area, surface area is in this direction. So the angle between E and S is equal to what? 90 degree in this condition. Right? So flux associated with this plane is equal to ES cos 90. And cos 90 is equal to what? 0. So no flux associated with this plane because this plane is parallel to electric field. So here it is given surface is parallel but angle is not 0. Angle is 90 because surface area is always perpendicular to the plane. राइट सो ये आपको ध्यान में रखना है. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि जब भी सरफेस इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड को पैरेलल हो तो पैरेलल सुनकर जीरो एंगल नहीं लेना है. एंगल कितना आएगा? ई और एस के बीच में 90, क्योंकि सरफेस एरिया प्लेन को ऑलवेज कैसा रहता है? परपेंडिकुलर. नाउ इन सेकेंड केस, व्हेन सरफेस इज नॉर्मल टू इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, then what happen? Suppose electric field is in this direction and surface is like this. This is normal to this electric field. So surface area of this plane is normal to this plane. So the angle between E and S both are in same direction. So angle between them is equal to what? 0. The flux associated is equal to what? ES cos 0. So phi is equal to ES. Maximum flux is associated with this plane when it is perpendicular to the electric field or it is normal to the electric field. You have to remember these two cases and you have to remember this formula. Now this formula is only for what? Uniform electric field. Whenever the plane is in uniform electric field. Uniform electric field means what? The electric field intensity is everywhere same. Here also 1 Newton per coulomb, here also 1 Newton per coulomb, means intensity is same everywhere. That is called uniform electric field. Now what happens when the field is non-uniform, right? इस इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स का यूनिट क्या होगा? तो इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स को हम कैसे डिनोट करते हैं? ई डॉट एस. तो फ्लक्स का यूनिट कैसे बनाएंगे? ई इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड न्यूटन पर कूलम और एस सरफेस एरिया मीटर स्क्वायर. तो न्यूटन मीटर स्क्वायर पर कूलम ये इसका यूनिट होगा, राइट? Now electric flux is what? The number of field lines, the number of electric field lines passing through given surface is called the flux associated with this surface. Now second case, in non-uniform electric field. In non-uniform electric field. Non-uniform electric field means what? The electric field intensity is different everywhere. Then how you will find the flux associated with any plane or any surface? So consider this surface. And the electric fields are non-uniform, means it is different at this surface. So the number of field lines passing through surface in different area is different. So you just divide this full surface in small element. Suppose consider this small element of this full surface. And the surface area of this small element consider as a ds, and the electric field at this point is E. Consider the electric field at this small element is what? E. Then find the flux associated with this small surface. So that is denoted by d phi. That is denoted by d phi. So d phi is the flux associated with this small element. So that is equal to E dot ds. Now to find the total flux associated with this whole surface, combine the all flux associated with these small elements. ये सारे स्मॉल एलिमेंट्स के साथ जो जो फ्लक्स एसोसिएट होगा उस सबको क्या करो? कंबाइन करो. कंबाइन मीन्स व्हाट? इंटीग्रेट. सो इंटीग्रेट दिस flux associated with these small surfaces. So then you will get the whole flux associated with this whole plane. So flux associated with the surface in non-uniform electric field is given by integration of E dot ds. So this is our formula for non-uniform electric field, right?